So for today, I mentioned I'm not moving on. I'm not teaching you anything new. Instead, I just have this activity that I'd like you to do in class. But again, before you do that, you're going to want to go ahead and check homework 1-3. As I'm making this video now, I didn't upload the answer key yet. But by the time you watch this, you'll be able to see lesson 3's homework 3's answer key will be in here, but it's not right now. Okay, for today, what you're going to do is it's called the activity for Friday 9-2. You're going to click that. And there's this Google Sheets activity. You are going to want to use a device, whether it's an iPad or a Chromebook. So if you don't have one, there are iPads in the back of the classroom, and in the card, I believe it's in the back left of the classroom. You can go ahead and grab one. So click that. It's going to make a copy for you. And you are going to want to open this up in Google Sheets. The way to do that is the top right corner. You would click that and it's opening it up in Google Sheets. Okay. So there are 10 questions here, and they're all the same type of question. It's asking you to write an equation of a line that passes through a point and is either parallel or perpendicular to another line. I'm going to do one with you just so you kind of have an example. So let me open it up in here. Okay. So I'll do the first question with you. It says, what is an equation of the line that passes through -1, 6 and is parallel to the line 2x plus y equals 9? You need two things always whenever you write an equation of a line. You need a point and you need a slope. In every single one of these questions, they give you the point. So in this one, they tell us the point is -1, 6. Now we have to find the slope of the line. They tell us that it's parallel to this line. So let's figure out what the slope of 2x plus y equals 9 is. So I'm going to go ahead and get this into y equals mx plus b form. And I could see that the slope is -2. Okay, probably the easiest thing to do would be to put this into point slope form, but all of our choices here are in slope intercept form. So I guess I'll put it into slope intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Let's make some substitutions. They tell us that y is 6. We're using the y coordinate of 6. We're using the x coordinate of -1. And we're going to use the slope of -2. So I'm going to make my substitutions. I'm putting 6 in for y, -2 in for m, -1 in for x, and I'm solving for b. So when I do that, I have 6 equals 2 plus b, which means b is going to equal 4. Now I just have to string everything together. I have the slope, I have the y-intercept, which means the equation is y equals -2x plus 4. So I'm going to go ahead and see that. Oh, here it is. It's right here. So I would put 1 into that box. I'll do it on here for you. So in that box, I'm going to type 1, hit enter, and it tells me I am correct. So it made this little path. If I would have put 1 in for here, it would have marked it with a red. That means that it is not correct. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and do the other questions. Remember, parallel lines have the same slope. Perpendicular lines have negative reciprocal slopes. So when this is complete, you should have all green boxes on the right. I will know if you did this because I also am on your copy that gets made, okay? So I'll be able to see if you did or didn't do this. And this is your only task to do for the day. There's no additional homework, and then I should be back on Tuesday. So hope you have a good rest of the day and have a nice weekend, and I'll see everyone hopefully on Tuesday.